outside of the parliament, outside of the country, there's one man whose rhetoric continues, and that's the claim he got the truce done, is US President Donald Trump. That also found, in many ways, a part of the debate in the parliament. Here's what the government has said, Prime Minister himself reiterating against that claim.
Don't have President Trump tell you that I have stopped the war 29 times.
देश के इतिहास में ये पहली बार हुआ कि जंग होते होते ही रुक गई।
अगर पाकिस्तान वाकई में अपने घुटने टिकने के लिए तैयार था तो आपने क्यों रुका, आप क्यों रुके और किसके सामने आप झुके?
US President Donald Trump dominated the debate on Operation Sindoor in the parliament. This came after Trump claimed credit for India-Pakistan ceasefire multiple times in the last 3 months.
Of the 5, now this would be 6 that we've stopped. I've stopped 6 wars in the last. I'm averaging about a war a month. But the last 3 were very close together. India and Pakistan, and a lot of them. 2 countries that we get along with very well, very different.
Deputy Leader of Opposition in Lok Sabha, Gaurav Gogoi, raised this issue on the floor of the House and demanded answers from the government.
हम आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी से जानना चाहते थे, अगर पाकिस्तान वाकई में अपने घुटने टिकने के लिए तैयार था तो आपने क्यों रुका, आप क्यों रुके और किसके सामने आप झुके, किसके सामने आपने सरेंडर किया, किसके सामने आपने सरेंडर किया?
After this, several opposition leaders also raised this issue in Lok Sabha and claimed that government announced ceasefire under US President Donald Trump's pressure.
देश के इतिहास में ये पहली बार हुआ। देश के इतिहास में ये पहली बार हुआ कि जंग होते होते ही रुक गई। रुक गई है जी। और इस रुकावट का ऐलान हमारी सरकार, हमारी सेना नहीं करती, अमेरिका के प्रेसिडेंट करते, अमेरिका के राष्ट्रपति करते।
नरेंद्र मोदी प्रधानमंत्री जी, आपने क्यों एक बार, why once you have not posted in the X handle post? No, you are incorrect, Mr. President, American President. What you have said, you are incorrect. You could not said, you could not show your courage to that extent.
The leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, even dared Prime Minister Modi to call Donald Trump a liar on the floor of the House.
Don't have President Trump tell you that I have stopped the war 29 times. Have the courage to tell him, no, to hell with you. You can't stop any war. We are going to fight.
Not only Lok Sabha, but Trump even resonated in Rajya Sabha, where Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge launched blistering attack.
मोदी जी गालियों का हिसाब रखते हैं, कौन कितने गालियां दिया, किसने दिया, इसका हिसाब रखते हैं, लेकिन भारत के सम्मान के खिलाफ राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप की बात मोदी जी क्यों चुप बैठे हैं, क्यों चुप्पी साधे हैं? राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप ने कहा कि 5 जेट्स गिराए गए, कौन से हैं?
Later, External Affairs Minister Jay Shankar cleared the air. He asserted that no talks were held between Donald Trump and Prime Minister Modi during Operation Sindoor, and ceasefire was only achieved after a call from Pakistan DGMO.
That on the 9th of May, Vice President J.D. Vance called the Prime Minister, warning of a massive Pakistani attack in the next few hours. Prime Minister, in his response, made it very clear that if such an attack happens, it would meet with an appropriate response from our side.
Union Home Minister Amit Shah lashed out at the opposition benches for mistrusting India's foreign minister.
भारत देश का शपथ लिया हुआ विदेश मंत्री यहाँ स्टेटमेंट कर रहा है, उस पर भरोसा नहीं है, उनको किसी और देश पर भरोसा है। मैं समझ सकता हूं उनकी पार्टी में विदेश का महत्व क्या है, मगर इसका मतलब ये तो नहीं है पार्टी की सारी चीजें यहां सदन में आकर थोपे।
Even Prime Minister Narendra Modi stated that no world leader pressurized India to stop its actions against Pakistan.
तो अमेरिका के उपराष्ट्रपति जी ने मुझे फोन पे बताया कि पाकिस्तान बहुत बड़ा हमला करने वाला है, ये उन्होंने मुझे बताया। जिनको समझ नहीं आता है उनको तो नहीं आएगा। मेरा जवाब था, अगर पाकिस्तान का ये इरादा है तो उसे बहुत महंगा पड़ेगा।
Both External Affairs Minister Jaishankar and Prime Minister Modi informed the Parliament that it was the US Vice President J.D. Vance who dialed Prime Minister and warned him about Pakistan's upcoming attack. Both leaders stressed that there were no talks on trade as well during those conversations. Bureau Report, India Today.